Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom connectors in Claude AI app so you can connect external tools and services directly into Claude for advanced workflows. So let's get started. To begin, open Claude on your browser or desktop app and sign into your account. Make sure your plan supports connectors since this feature may not be available everywhere yet. Next, you're going to go to settings or the customize section inside the app, then locate to connectors from the menu. Inside the connectors panel, you'll see available built-in options and a section for adding custom connectors. Click on Add Custom Connector or the plus button to create a new connection. Now you'll need to enter the connector details, usually starting with an MCP server URL and any required authentication settings depending on the tool you're connecting. After entering the required information, click Connect or Add and Claude will validate the setup and attempt to establish the connection. Once it's successfully added, the connector will appear in your list where you can enable or disable it whenever needed. Now you can use it inside the chat when you make a request that requires that tool or data source. Claude will automatically trigger the connector. If the custom connector doesn't show up or fails to connect, check that your MCP URL is correct and that your plan supports custom connectors.